Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is a long overdue little video that people have asked me to do. I want to show you how to fix a key. This is an Apple IIc key that when I got it, it was broken. Actually, this one was already been mended. Somebody put some glue, but it was glued directly to the switch. So I have to almost destroy the switch. Thankfully I didn't, but to take out this part, I have to take it out. So then later I have to also clean it because this little piece, I don't know if you can see it, but this little piece is, it was full of glue, and the same here. So I had to scrape it up, take out all the glue, so it get again, it can be put together again. So it's not a perfect fit, but that's what I wanted to show you. So what you want to do is that you want to get, every time I do some soldering, I get some pieces that I have these metal feet that I have to cut to fit it. So I save these little pieces of metal. And this piece of metal is very good because what we can do is we can put them in between. As you can see, this is hollow and this is hollow. So what we want to do is we want to strengthen it, make it stronger by putting some metal pieces in here. So when it goes in, it doesn't only go in, but also some metal pieces can hold it. So next time, if there's some stress, the metal piece can actually help to keep it strong enough. I can do it with metal, and also we could do it with a piece of plastic if you want. I mean, it's a matter of finding something strong that allows you to put it in between. So it has to be very small, but at the same time very strong. So the ones that I like are the little metal pieces. And what I do is I just put them over there and then cut them to size. So when they're already in there, I'm going to put like 3 or 4. I actually, you see what I'm doing? Let me see if I can show it closer. Yeah, I'm putting them in like that. And with this, I'm just going to fill it out, and then I can put some glue on the inside and on the outside, so it becomes very, very strong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it a little bit higher, and as you can see, I cut it and they came out. So again, we got to put them in. It's a tedious process, and a lot of people they just want to get new ones, and it's good, but sometimes you cannot get a new piece. So that's what I wanted to make sure that if there's several times I'm looking for new keys and people don't sell them anymore. They don't have them in stock. So what else can we do? We gotta make sure that we can at least fix this. So right now, because I took it like that, it went flying, and now I don't have it in the right place. So it has to be, I gotta move it around. Okay, you see, it's now it's good. It's the right inclination, and I'll keep it straight in a minute. But first, I gotta fill it out with these pieces, and it's hard to also manage these little pieces of metal. So be careful also. Don't get yourself hurt. And let's fill it out. This piece is no good, so I toss it. Get another one. And you don't have to fill it out. You can put 1 or 2 if you want. I like to put a lot because that enables me to have more strength. Okay, now that I have them all, I'm gonna do the super glue, and I'm gonna do the little this powder is called Arm & Hammer. I'll tell you in a minute. I don't remember the names at this moment, but I'll tell you anyway. So what you're gonna do is, of course, just make sure that it's straight. Make sure that it's also straight on this side. Where am I? Yeah, sorry, I can't find the camera. So make sure that it's straight here, that it's not bent to any place. And as you can see, the metal pieces actually help. So I am going to add the glue around. And inside. And then I'll push it down again when I'm done. Okay. Now that I have it, I already have glue in there. I'm just gonna make sure that it's straight. I'm gonna push it down and it's straight. Okay. Now that I have it, oh God, sorry about it. So I push it down like this and it's straight. You can see all the angles, it's straight. And then we'll just open and we're gonna put the powder so it will make it really strong and it will bond real fast. And as you can see, I don't have to put a lot. I just gotta do like a little powder. Well, at the end I put a lot. Okay, so I'll just make sure that it touches everything and I'll leave it like that for a couple of hours. It's already strong, but it's not that hard right now. So we gotta wait a couple of hours and this will be good. So now that we have it like this, I'm gonna just flush it up, cut with my pliers. I'm gonna cut the little cables that are here, and then I'm gonna be sanding a little bit on the edges just to make sure that everything is good. All right. So I hope this is a good education for you, and let me know in your comments what you think. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and see you next time.